Temperatures up in the low 80s by early next week. Building seas, doesn't look too bad in the morning, but the seas do climb. They'll be about 3 to 5 late afternoon and becoming choppy for the inland waters. And rip currents will also increase. That threat will increase during the weekend too. 65 overnight. A beautiful night on the way. Partly cloudy. Tomorrow looking at a partly sunny sky with quick moving showers. 77. We've had 3 days in a row at 79, and the 7-day forecast, a little more cloud cover, a little gustier wind on Sunday. Overall, a great weekend for South Florida, though. You just may need the umbrella off and on.